Positive and normative economics. There are two types of analysis that economists engage in. One involves a description of a situation while another gives a suggestion on what should be done in that particular situation. The first one is called positive economics. It describes and explains economic phenomena using various concepts and ideas in economics. Predictions can be made about what will happen based on a theory or pattern of events from the past. The positive statements can be proven through the use of scientific method. Scientific method, it is a mathematical and experimental technique employed in the sciences. More specifically, it is the technique used in the construction and testing of a scientific hypothesis. Meanwhile, the second type of analysis is called normative economics. Unlike the first one, normative economics gives value-laden statements about what should be done. Although it includes factual ideas, proving or disproving normative statements would be difficult. Which of the following statement is positive and normative? 1. If the price of a luxury good increases, its quantity demanded decreases. 2. If the price of a luxury good increases, individuals should lessen the consumption of this good. One can notice that the first statement is positive because it only discloses observed phenomena, what happens whenever a price increase of a luxury good takes place. On the other hand, the second statement is normative. It states what should be done, prescribing the reduction of consumption of a luxury good if its price increases. Positive economics seeks to understand behavior without making judgments about outcomes, while normative economics analyzes outcomes of economic behavior, evaluates them as good or bad, and sometimes prescribes a course of action. Examples: positive economics questions. What causes recessions? What is the relationship between inflation and unemployment? How does a tax cut affect the economy? Examples: normative economics questions. Should we cut taxes to stimulate the economy? Should we raise taxes to reduce the government deficit? Positive statement: lower taxes lead to higher consumption. Normative statement: the government should take actions to raise consumption to increase output during a recession. Positive statement: a tax cut will raise interest rates. Normative statement: payroll taxes are too high. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Notes from Social Studies K-12 series by Bernard R. Balintao and co-authors, Philippine Economy and Development 2014 edition, Beeble Group Incorporated.